which is question number 66. f of x is a polynomial of degree 6 with real coefficients such that f of x equal to 0 is satisfied by x equal to 0, plus minus 1 and plus minus 2 only. Then the value of f dash of 0, f dash of 1, f dash of 2, f dash of minus 1 and f dash of minus 2 is equal to. See, according to question, f of x is a polynomial of 6 degree and question is saying x equal to 0, plus minus 1 and plus minus 2 only roots of your polynomial of 6 degree. So obviously there is a one root which is repeating. So you just assume alpha is repeating root of f of x. It can be 0, plus 1, minus 1, plus 2, minus 2. So when your f of x contain alpha 2 times, like f of x equal to x minus alpha, and x minus and so on. So when you will differentiate it, you will get x minus alpha in every term. So when alpha, this is a theory part, when alpha is your repeating root of f of x, so f of alpha and f dash of alpha is both are 0. So here answer is directly 0 because alpha can be 0, 1, minus 1, 2 or minus 2. I hope you understand this question. Now move on your next question. Question number 67. The coordinates of a point at which the tangent to the curve x equal to 4t square plus 3, y equal to 8t cube minus 1 is parallel to the line 12x minus 4y plus 17 is equal to 0. So your curve is given in terms of parametric form. So first of all, differentiate x in terms of t with respect to t and differentiate y with respect to t. So dx by dt is equal to 8t and dy by dt is equal to 24t square. Now slope of line dy by dx, just divide dy by dt divide by dx by dt, you will get 24t square divided by 8t, which is 3t. And according to question, tangent to this curve is parallel to the line 12x minus 4y plus 17. So slope of this line is 3. So according to question, 3t is equal to 3. So you are getting t equal to 1. So coordinates of a point at which the tangent to the curve. So just substitute t equal to 1 in this and this equation. So x equal to 4 plus 3, 7 and y equal to 8 minus 1, which is 7. So your point is 7, 7. Just check your options. So option number 4 is your correct answer. Now move on your next question, which is question number 68. Let f dash x positive for all x greater than equal to 2, then g of x is equal to f of cos square x plus 4 cos x plus 7 is increasing in interval. So first of all, just check this function and it is given f dash x is positive when x is greater than or equal to 2. So just differentiate gx, then g dash x is equal to f dash of cos square x plus 4 cos x plus 7 multiply 2 cos x minus sin x minus 4 sin x. Okay, now g dash x is equal to f dash of, just make perfect square. So you can see easily this is cos x plus 2 square plus 3 multiply, just take common, minus 2 sin x and you will get cos x plus 2. For increasing of g of x, g dash x should be positive. So by observing this equation, you see this entire value is greater than equal to 3 because cos x plus 2 is always greater than equal to 1 because minimum value of cos x is -1. So this entire value is always greater than 3. So when x is greater than or equal to 2, your f dash x is positive. So this function is always positive for any value of x. So this function is positive. Now move on. Cos x plus 2. So see, again cos x plus 2 is always positive because minimum value of cos x is -1. So this function is always positive. So for -2 sin x, so 2 sin x should be negative for g dash x positive. So by observing your all options, you can tell your answers. Sin x should be negative. So in 3 pi by 4 2 pi, this falls in your second quadrant where your sin x is positive. So this is not your answer. Now 5 pi by 4 comma 7 pi by 4, pi plus pi by 4, 2 pi minus pi by 4. This is your correct answer, but check on your next option, 2 pi comma 9 pi by 4, 2 pi plus pi by 4, which is your first quadrant where sin x is positive, and pi by 4 comma 3 pi by 4. This is your first to second quadrant where your sin x is always positive. So again second option is your correct answer. Now move on next question. The maximum value of f of x is equal to sin 2x plus cos 4x is. So see here 2x and 4x, we have different angles. So just try to make same angles by converting half angle formula. So f of x is equal to sin 2x plus cos 4x. You can write cos 4x in terms of sin x, 1 minus 2 sin square 2x. So f of x is equal to minus 2 sin square 2x plus sin 2x plus 1. Now convert your function in perfect square. So just take common minus 2, 1 by 2 sin 2x minus 1 by 2. Now see sin 2x minus 1 by 4 square minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 16. So f of x is equal to minus 2 sin 2x minus 1 by 4 square minus 9 by 16. Now f of x is equal to 9 by 8 minus twice of sin 2x minus 1 by 4 square. So for maximum value of f of x, this value should be 0. So sin 2x can be 1 by 4 at any value of x. So this will go to 0, and maximum value of f of x is 9 by 8. So your correct option is option number 3. Now move on next question. Question number 70. The range of function f of x is equal to 4 upon x minus 1 minus 9 upon x plus 1 does not contain. So just take LCM. X square minus 1. So 4x plus 4 minus 9x plus 9. So f of x is equal to minus 5x plus 13 divided by x square minus 1. Just let y and do cross multiply. You will find yx square minus y is equal to minus 5x plus 13. So yx square plus 5x minus y minus 13 is equal to 0. So for getting real values of x, D should be positive or equal to 0. So 5 square minus 4y minus 13 should be positive or equal to 0. So from here you will get 4y square plus 52y plus 25 greater than equal to 0. So see, 4y square plus 50y plus 2y plus 25 greater than equal to 0. So 2y plus 25 and 2y plus 1 greater than equal to 0. So from here you are getting y belongs to minus infinite to minus 25 by 2 union minus 1 by 2 to infinity. So you can see easily 5 is in your range minus 15 because this value is minus 12.5 and this value is minus 0.5. So minus 15 is also lie in this range, 2 is also lie in your range, and minus 7 lies between minus 25 by 2 to minus 1 by 2. So minus 7 does not contain in your range. So option number 4 is your correct option. Now move on next question.